delicious. The aroma is 100% banana aroma. You can see that there is no additive added, no preservative, 100% natural. Cheers. You're welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare banana wine. And you can see how beautiful my banana look, and we're going to use this to prepare our banana wine. It's so simple and super delicious. Make it very neat so that there will be no sand left. Don't bother me to show my face. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. It's very important. Share it with your friends. Drop their comments. Tell me where you are watching from. It's super beautiful. It's tempting. It's mouth watering, you know. Very ripe. We'll break it for easy fermentation. Wow. Okay. This is drinkable water, so we are going to use this. We are going to soak it in and allow it to ferment. Now we are going to allow it to ferment for 3 days. So see you in 3 days time. So this is day 3 of our fermentation, and we have our plate. Let's see what is inside. Before I do that, let me put on the hand gloves. So let's open it. You can see it's totally fermented. So we are going to scoop this one into a plate. Make sure both are showing. Let's scoop this one quickly into the aroma. Is so beautiful. I love the aroma. So we are going to first of all scoop this. Perfect. We are going to filter it from here to this place, and then we'll return it back to this one so as to see how beautiful it looks. So I'm going to wash this one thoroughly to remove some of the wild yeast. So let me wash. Now I'm going to squeeze the banana so that we will extract more of the juice. To test our wine, let me choose one of the cups. Beautiful, looks delicious. The aroma is 100% banana aroma. You can see that there is no additive added, no preservative, 100% natural. Cheers. Now this is very healthy because it contains some probiotics and yeast. You know, the yeast is the white yeast and other microorganisms that are really essential to health. Now it's not sugary because we do not add any sugar. So it just know there's a normal natural blend that if you take it, you enjoy the feel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. God bless you. Cheers.